Zerotech Dobby. It is a small camera drone. You can use it for selfie, flying and for fun purpose. It is ultra lightweight, weighs 199 grams only. It is so compact that it can be charged by power bank. If you still cannot imagine its small size, then let me explain you that it is so small that it can fit in your pocket and carry along. Its propeller arms also get folded with the help to reduce its size a lot. You can connect to app and fly it anywhere. Just press the key to take off, or you can also use voice command to take off, which is an exclusive new feature. You can even use tap for takeoff. If you don't want to do that also, then you can simply toss it in the air. It will fly of its own. It will hover in the air. You can use it indoor as well as outdoor. It has many options for clicking selfies. Also, you can take different types of selfies with it. Not only selfies, you can even shoot videos with the help of this from anywhere. You can set different angles for shooting. Overall, if you are traveling, then this drone is easy to carry and charge with simple power banks. It is perfect choice for fulfilling all your requirements. Gibbs Biscay. Growing up, you are likely always dreamed of having a vehicle that could travel across both land and sea. Many of us dreamed about such vehicles being created one day, though they never came. There have been a handful of vehicles that have been created for this purpose over the years. They have never been brought to the public market until now. Gibbs Biscay is a new motorcycle that is capable of traveling on both land and water. It can reach speeds of up to 80 miles per hour on land and reach speed of around 37 miles per hour in water. This means regardless of where you are located, this bike can keep up with other mass-produced vehicles so that they never have to worry about traveling with restrictions. This bike is able to transition from water to land in just a few seconds and with a minimal input from the driver. In less than 5 seconds, you can quickly switch from land to water operation so that you'll never miss a bit. The bike is controlled by 2-cylinder 55 horsepower engine that runs on a standard gasoline. If you are interested in purchasing one of these amphibians bike, you just contact Gibbs directly for the estimate. Badband. Badband is new type of headphone that is unlikely any other on the market. This device sits upon your head very similar to a hairband. However, there are no speakers to be seen anywhere on the device. Badband transmits audio to your ears through bone conduction. This means that you can hear sounds without actually having a device in your ear canal. Just turn on the device, pair it to your smartphone or other Bluetooth enabled device and hit play. It's truly remarkable. The Badband allows you to listen to any form of the audio without blocking out exterior sounds so that you can always be alert even while jamming out to your favorite tunes. The band is incredibly easy to operate. You do not need to press any buttons or interfere with the band in any way after pairing it to your smartphone. It requires no wires or dodgy connections interfaces as it simply connects to your device through Bluetooth. If you are looking for an easy and affordable way to stay in touch with the world around you while listening to the music, look no further. Unico waterproof bags. Waterproof digital bags protect all your gadgets and gear when you carry the Unico waterproof digital bags. Each bag features laser cut seams welded with radio waves so water can't get in, and the bags are free of zips or stitches. In fact, they are tested in 100,000 ml water column to be truly waterproof. You can carry these bags individually or combine them to organize all your gear with the endless configurations. These robust and durable bags come in 4 styles: the Unico, the Underworld Sling, the Pouch and the Organizer. Unico fits and protects laptops from 13 to 15 inches and expands from 10 liters to 21 liters. Plus, you can carry it like a briefcase. A backpack or messenger bag suits your needs whether you are on commute or adventure. The Underworld Sling expands from 3.5 to 7 liters. The Organizer fits your table pins, charger cables and A4 documents. View Smart Glasses. If you have prescribed lenses but are looking to try out smart glasses, View Smart Glasses has you covered. These smart glasses assist you in keeping track of your fitness goals without having to wear a cumbersome watch or fitness tracker. Bone conduction speakers are built in so that you can always have your music wherever you go. You can even answer calls, use GPS navigation and hear notifications, all without needing a pair of headphones. While these are incredibly high-tech glasses that suits everyone's daily needs, at the core, View glasses are just glasses. However, these glasses offer a wide array of features that can make your daily life a little bit easier. You can navigate your glasses with a simple touch and gesture interface that is embedded into the frames. There are no ports, buttons or switches on the glass so that they seem as natural as possible. To charge the frame, simply place it in the case and wait a few hours or a full recharge cycle. Typically, the frame will last about a week on a single charge. These glasses were carefully designed with functionality in mind. Though the best features of these glasses is their price, they are far more affordable than any other pair of smart glasses in the market. Honda Riding Assist. We all know Honda bikes are most reliable bikes in the world. Honda is one of the oldest bike manufacturer company. It has a wide range of bikes from daily use to sports bike. In this scenario, meet the new type of concept bike. This is Honda Driving Assist. It is a very intelligent bike. As we all know, future is moving toward driverless autonomous cars and bikes. These Honda bikes come in same category. To start with, please have a look at this bike. It is totally different from front as well as from back. Its look is super sporty and headlamp is also designed in a unique creative way. Now you will say how it is smart. Guys, in this bike surely you can sit, but it is not necessary that you will hold a handle to move. This bike is automatically self-drive bike. If you wish, it will follow you. You can adjust its height from its front side suspension, so there is no doubt that this bike will become your best friend. And of course, with this bike we do get the feeling where the future bikes are heading to. Life puts us every day in a stressful situations. No matter how hard we try to relax, taking a break from it, or it becoming increasingly difficult. Unfortunately, this restless rhythms takes a toll on our well-being. That's why Ostrich Pillow Loop is created, the ultimate eye pillow. It provides a cocoon to rest where you want, when you want. Its smart design allows you to put it on easily and catch some good recovery snooze in total blackout isolation and absolute comfort. And once you are done, you can conveniently carry with you. Unlike conventional eye mask, Ostrich Pillow Loop delivers a unique comfort experience. Thanks to its ergonomic form, micro beads fillings, smooth external fabric, and elastic closure which adapts to all head sizes. Viral Light. Viral Light click your footage up a notch with the Wirelight Easy Cable Cam, compatible with GoPro and other action cameras. This device gives you camera a totally steady line to follow hanging easily and effortlessly. Your camera glides smoothly along to capture the perfect angle with the minimal shake. The Wirelight has two modes to suit your style. In standard mode, the Wirelight can travel along the cable as fast as 28 miles per hour to keep up with you. In addition, the device works in time-lapse mode. With this, it can go as slow as 0.006 miles per hour to capture all the nuances of the world around you. Wirelight gives all of your footage the cinematic quality you strive for. When it's not in use, the Wirelight folds down to a compact size of easy portability. It's also lightweight, so you can take it anywhere. Stop Sleep. Stop Sleep is an anti-sleep alarm for drivers who may be operating a vehicle while they are drowsy. This device attaches to your fingers and can detect when you begin to get drowsy or tired while driving. It will then alert you up 5 minutes before you fall asleep, ensuring you are always awake and alert to changing road conditions while your vehicle is in motion. This device has scientifically tested by NCXR and recommended for use during any road trip. It offers a super fast charging time and can be used for many hours. Even if you are not prone to getting sleepy while driving, this is a great device to have on any road trip. Long hours on the road can be taxing on any of us, and you may begin to fall asleep without realizing it. This device will make sure that you and your passengers remain safe for the duration of the trip. Pricing for these devices is currently not available online, but imagine they are quite inexpensive if you are able to locate them for sale. Flex Canopy. Flex Canopy is very unique camera that is packed with features. Canopy is designed with ease of use in mind and can be operated by nearly anyone. The camera is made up of flexible bendable body, an internal microphone, an LED light, the camera itself, and a hidden button that can activate the device with ease. This is truly a camera for everyone, and the 13 megapixel camera makes operation a breeze. Just bend the flexible handle in any direction you desire and push the large button on the back of the unit to begin the recording. When you are done, you can press the button again to stop the recording. Wi-Fi connectivity is built in, so in order to get the photos and videos of the camera, you simply need to pair it to your favorite smartphone or computer. From here, you can open up the camera's file system and explore the various photos or videos you took throughout the day. Afterwards, the camera will turn off and it can be folded and stored for the later use. Touch Jet Wave. The Touch Jet Wave is a device that mounts on the top of your television and provides you with a simulated touch screen across the entire television. This means that you can now have a tablet in your home that is up to 50 inches large. The idea behind this product is that it can be used in meeting rooms or classrooms so that presenters can demonstrate their presentation without having to invest in expensive large-scale touchscreen display. The device simply attaches to your top of your screens and projects as an invisible touchscreen barrier across the screen. A computerized sensor can then learn where your hand is touching the screen and send this information to a computer or tablet. Computer registers these motions as clicks or taps, allowing you to control your machine without a mouse or a keyboard. QB Note Pro. QB Note Pro is an all-new printing system that allows you to take notes that has been typed on your phone or convert them to a real-world sticky notes using an advanced printing system. Paper can be purchased in various colors so that you will always be able to keep your notes organized and easy to read or sort through. The device is controlled through an app that allows you to make notes and print them out on the fly. Just type the note you would like to make on the screen, then press the print. That's all there is to it. Officizer. Officizer is a product that was designed for the use in the office and helps you keep you in shape while sitting at desk for many hours of the day. The device simply sits below your desk on the floor and allows you to simulate a walking experience without having to leave your chair. The device can be used by placing your feet on the unit and sliding them back and forth to rock them from the side to side. This helps you to keep your leg muscles in shape and potentially increase blood flow while sitting and doing your daily work. When you are done with the workout, the device can be stored away easily. Working out couldn't be easier or less strenuous. Yellow Jacket. Yellow Jacket is a high-power stun gun case that can be used with your phone or another popular smart devices. This case can not only extend the battery life of your phone, but it also serves as an important piece of self-protection gear. At the top of the unit is fitted with a stun gun. This device was designed to keep victim more safe as it gives victim a way to fight back against the assailant, meaning they are much more likely to leave the scene of the crime with their life. This is where Yellow Jacket can help you out in a pinch, as the device can leave your enemies in severe pain. The case simply attaches to your smartphone. It makes it an instant weapon. Just press the button on the side of the unit to give your assailant a shock.